The door handle protection film helps prevent scratches from daily use. It's a simple way to keep your car looking clean and beautiful for longer. Alloy wheel garnishes can change how your car looks. Suzuki's genuine alloy wheels let you switch garnishes easily. The satin silver color shows the light and clean style of an EV. The charging cable prepared for Suzuki's first EV, the eVITARA, meets Suzuki's strict standards and is officially certified for compatibility. It's a genuine cable made specifically for the eVITARA. We offer two types: Mode 2, which supplies power from a household outlet, and Mode 3, which supplies power from a charging station. This EV charging cable storage bag is made in Japan, using fabric woven on a Suzuki-style loom that was built over 100 years ago. You can simply roll up the cable and store it neatly, keeping your car interior tidy and making it easy to carry. Place your charging cable inside and enjoy your journeys to various destinations. Golf bags, outdoor gear, and other items can easily cause dirt or scratches in the luggage area during loading and unloading. This luggage tray helps prevent such damage and keeps your cargo space protected. Its lightweight design makes it easy to remove, and it can be washed with water to maintain cleanliness at all times. A practical item that's perfect for everyday use, as well as weekend leisure activities. The stainless steel scuff plate firmly protects the edge of the cargo area, preventing scratches during loading and unloading. Its premium finish adds a refined look, enhancing the overall impression of the vehicle. Combining practicality with elegant design, this accessory offers the quality and perfect fit that only genuine parts can provide. Even after enjoying the great outdoors to the fullest, you won't have to worry about a dirty interior if your vehicle is equipped with the tray floor mat. Made of rubber, it's easy to rinse off when dirty, making maintenance simple. Its raised edges help contain mud and water, preventing it from spilling onto the floor, perfect for those living in snowy or rainy areas, as well as for frequent trips to the mountains or the beach. The side sill scuff, featuring the eVITARA logo, protects the door sill from scratches caused during entry and exit. Its stainless steel finish adds a sense of luxury, enhancing the overall impression of the vehicle. With genuine quality and a perfect fit, this accessory combines practicality with elegant design. The wireless mobile charger lets you charge your smartphone effortlessly. Just place it down and power up. No cables needed, making it smooth and convenient even while driving. The multi-roof rack is perfect for carrying large items, such as camping gear and sports equipment. It's a reliable companion for outdoor and leisure activities, helping you transport what doesn't fit in the cargo space. Securely mounted and designed for versatility, it expands your possibilities for adventure. We offer a range of genuine accessories, including the horizontal detachable tow bar. With a perfect fit and reliable quality, genuine parts support a safe and comfortable driving experience.